Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus PASINGKI SOLLU. My major Nautika Department. I am from AIPI Makassar.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SAHRUL. My major Nautika Department. I am from AIPI Makassar. Hello, friend. What are you doing?
Hi SAHRUL. I'm playing online game. Wanna play together?
Yes, sir. Is it your handwriting?
Yes, it is.
Can you borrow for wheel?
Of course.
Thank you. Wow, yeah. By the way, with this,
It's 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Sorry, enough to go. My mom take off my brother at school.
Wait, SAHRUL. My handwriting.
Sorry, forgive me.
That's alright.
See you.
Bye. Hi SAHRUL. What are you doing?
Hello, free. I'm play online game. Wanna play together?
Yes, sure. Is it your handwriting?
Yes, it is.
Can I borrow it for a while?
Of course.
Thank you. Wow, nice game. By the way, what time is it?
It's 4 p.m.
4 p.m.? Sorry, I have to go now. My mom told me to pick up my brother at school.
Wait, look free. My handwriting.
Sorry, forgive me.
That's alright.
See you.
Bye.